literally mixing the steps up. I have absolutely no idea what order I'm trying to follow. I'm just going with the flow. So excuse me if this doesn't make sense, but it's gonna come along. It's gonna work. Absolutely will. Okay. As always, I haven't put foundation. I've just concealed my under eye and places where I still have some acne scarring. And oh my gosh, this product just literally blends like butter. It's just gone. I hardly have to blend it. It's just amazing. I'm just trying to keep it as natural and as minimal as I can. She is contoured. Okay. For blush, if I can open it, I'm gonna use the Ysl. It's pretty. Eyes, I'm gonna use the Nars Summer Solstice palette. Absolutely beautiful palette. I love it. Tilbury mascara on my lower lash line. I have lash extensions already, if you couldn't tell. Kylie Cosmetics dark brown Kyliner. I'm just gonna sort of blend that outwards. Like so. Yep. It's very subtle. Pillow talk, highlighter, and blend her. I'm gonna use Ysl. I'm just gonna dab this because it's very concentrated. And go in with the Nude sticks in Bahama Mama to tone it down a bit. Actually, I'm just gonna add Kylie Clove. Yeah. That's the no, this should work. Patrick Tar, the red lipstick. Hopefully I get the shade that I want. Got it. As always, dab, because I like it to be subtle and not like bam, like shiny. And done.